Understanding basic language terms. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to break down some basic but essential language words that we often hear when learning English, such as noun, verb, adjective, and more. Understanding these terms will help you become more confident in speaking, reading, and writing. Let's get started. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Basically, if you can touch it, see it, or think about it, it's probably a noun. For example, apple, city, and happiness are all nouns. Example, the dog ran across the yard. Here, dog and yard are nouns because they name a thing and a place. Verb. A verb is an action word. It describes what someone or something is doing. Verbs can also show a state of being, like am, is, or were. Example, she sings beautifully. In this sentence, sings is the verb because it tells us what she is doing. Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun. It gives more information about what something looks, feels, or behaves like. Example, the big, fluffy cat sat on the windowsill. Here, big and fluffy are adjectives because they describe the cat. Adverb. Adverbs describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. They usually answer the questions how, when, where, or to what extent. Many adverbs end in ly, but not always. Example, he quickly ran to the store. Quickly is an adverb because it tells us how he ran. Preposition. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other parts of the sentence. They usually indicate direction, location, or time. Common prepositions include in, on, at, by, and under. Example, the book is on the table. Here, on shows the relationship between book and table. Singular and plural. A singular noun refers to one item, while plural refers to more than one. Singular example, the car is fast. Plural example, the cars are fast. Notice how adding an S changes the word to show more than one car. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words that work together but do not form a complete sentence because they don't have both a subject and a verb. Example, under the table. This is a phrase because it gives extra information but doesn't stand alone as a full idea. Sentence. A sentence is a complete thought with a subject, who or what the sentence is about, and a verb, what the subject is doing. Example, the cat sleeps on the sofa. Here, the cat is the subject and sleeps is the verb, making it a complete sentence. Paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences that are all related to a single topic or idea. Usually, a paragraph will start with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea, followed by supporting sentences. Example, my favorite hobby is painting. I love using different colors to create art. It helps me relax and express myself creatively. Dialogue. Dialogue refers to a conversation between two or more people. In writing, dialogue is often shown with quotation marks to indicate who is speaking. Example, what time is the meeting? Sarah asked. It's at 3 p.m., replied John. Question and answer. A question is a sentence that asks for information and usually ends with a question mark. Example, what is your name? An answer is the response to the question. Example, my name is Alex. Conclusion. And there you have it. We've covered some of the most common language words that are the building blocks of English. Understanding these terms will help you not only in writing but also in speaking and comprehension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Let us know in the comments which term you found the most interesting. See you next time.